Have you ever stumbled upon a local ordinance that made you scratch your head, wondering who on earth thought that was a good idea? Laws about not having a donkey in your bathtub or prohibiting a specific type of dancing seem utterly bizarre today. The surprising truth is that most so-called weird laws were created with a completely logical, and often very practical, purpose when they were first enacted. These laws were not born out of absurdity but typically arose to address specific problems or needs in a community at a particular point in time. The fundamental reason these laws exist is rooted in historical context and local circumstances. Imagine a time before modern sanitation, robust building codes, or even widespread automobiles. A law prohibiting animals from urban areas might have been crucial for public health, noise reduction, and traffic flow back then. Laws often reflected the prevailing societal norms, technological limitations, and unique challenges faced by a community that are now completely foreign to us. They were reactions to real issues, trying to maintain order, safety, or public decency in ways that made sense to the people of that era. So, how can you understand the original intent behind these seemingly strange rules? When you encounter an odd law, try to imagine the world at the time it was passed. Consider the technology available, the typical ways people lived and worked, and any specific local industries or customs. For example, a law about not sleeping in a cheese factory probably aimed to prevent theft or contamination, while one about women not driving cars while wearing bathrobes likely stemmed from early 20th century moral codes or safety concerns related to driving garments. Often, these historical rules give us fascinating glimpses into past life. Think about blue laws, which restricted activities on Sundays. These were not just random rules. They were deeply tied to religious and social beliefs about rest and worship that were widely held at the time. Similarly, many laws about unusual animals in public places were direct responses to specific incidents, like someone's pet bear causing a commotion, rather than general prohibitions. These laws were simply practical solutions to very specific, and sometimes comical, problems that actually occurred. Ultimately, understanding the original purpose of these weird laws is a journey through history, revealing how societies evolve and how legal frameworks attempt to keep pace. It teaches us that what seems ridiculous today often served a genuine, albeit sometimes narrow, function yesterday, offering a unique perspective on human ingenuity and adaptation throughout the ages.